Context is everything. Lady Fatima, the beloved daughter of the Prophet Muhammad, stood firm in the face of tyranny. Narrations reveal that her home was besieged, set aflame, and attacked multiple times. Despite these aggressions, she refused to grant entry to the oppressors. Imam Ali denied them entry, yet they ordered to force their way in. When they arrived, Lady Fatima stood at the door, challenging their actions and shaming them for violating the sanctity of a woman's home. But they, disregarding honor and dignity, declared, "Who cares about women's rights?" They returned with murderous intent. Fatima confronted them again, declaring her position as the Prophet's daughter, reminding them of her status with Allah. She reprimanded their betrayal and treachery, leaving no doubt about the aggressor and the victim. This was no negotiation, it was an attack. The opponents, in full knowledge and premeditation, executed their deadly plan against Lady Fatima, marking one of the darkest chapters in Islamic history.